Welcome to ANS in Manchester. This is our headquarters, Fusion, and we want to bring you on a VIP tour of our incredible office space. Does that sound good? Let's go. This is our incredible gym space. Our team can use this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They love to get in here, work out, get their gym session done, and we know investing in your people like this means a healthy, happy workforce to look after our customers. Welcome to our social wing at ANS. On the ground floor in Fusion, we have got Touring Drive. We bring people together in here, whether it's customers who use the space today, we're having a hackathon in here, but we also offer this out to the local community. And for our own team, this is where we have our kick-off weekly meeting and any social events. So how about a drink? Let's go to the bar. Welcome to the tech floor at ANS. So lots of different teams up here supporting our customers. We've got our technical engineers up here, our customer success managers, Centre of Excellence, and our research and development team. These teams are here day in, day out, providing incredible customer service to all of our customers. So this is our SOC behind this door. I can't take you in there, they don't let me in there. You need to have, of course, SC clearance to get into this room. But the engineers in here and the teams in here are making sure that we are safe and our customers are safe as well. It's a really exciting part of the building, but I can't even bring you in there. Welcome to our commercial floor. This is the second floor in Fusion, and up here we've got teams like pre-sales, sales and marketing. So all of the teams you meet at the beginning of your ANS journey. It's always nice and energetic up here, lots and lots of chatting going on. I want to show you some other things that we're really proud of on this floor. Come with me. So when we redesigned this office, it was so important that we had space for our customers to come and collaborate with us and together. So whether you're in Manchester having a meeting, you can use this space, or you're coming to meet us, you can absolutely take advantage of our incredible office space. Use the meeting room, use the coffee machine, come and collab with us at ANS. So this is ANS Academy. We have been running apprenticeships for more than 10 years in ANS, and we're so proud of the programs that we deliver here, which help us upskill the next generation of technical talent. Come and see our classroom and some of our apprentices working hard, hopefully. Thank you so much for joining us on our tour today. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully we get to see you in person at Fusion really soon.